What's going on, peeps? I am here to give you a recap. I have had low back pain, I want to say since 2008, and I can't place exactly the time. Nothing really caused it to come on. So seeing as how we are in 2018, somewhere around 10 years. And it is, I want to say, you know, average 2 to 3 on a pain scale of a 10. So it's never bad. It's only had me down one time a few years ago where I was like crawling. And that another thing was kind of out of the blue. Obviously, have had chiropractic care for a long time, 20 plus years, and nothing seems to have an effect on it. And nothing seems to have an effect on it with what I do. I mean, I raced Ironman during this, and getting off the bike, you know, a little bit stiff coming back up off after running a marathon, a little bit stiff going to squat back down. You know, first 10, 20 degrees of flexion moving forward is really the worst, but it's just always there. Nothing seems to make it better. Nothing really seems to make it worse. So I am here at Hartley Chiropractic going to see Dr. Teresa Hartley, and I am going to get started with some CBP care. And I will get a little bit more, I'll actually have Dr. Hartley give you a little rundown on how it works. Maybe we'll take a look at some of my x-rays. I got some weird stuff going on because my low back looks pretty good. I got a few little things going on, and I think everyone does. I've had an MRI, got a little bit of disc issues, you know, stuff through there. But it's my neck and my upper thoracic spine, which I kind of suspected maybe some neck stuff, even though I've been taking care of it. But the upper thoracic is what really surprised me. So we'll take a look at those. And I'm going to let you follow along on my journey over the next 90 days and see what I do and check out my results. So let's go inside. Hello. Good to see you. You need anything from me to get started?
Yes.
All right.
So what we're doing today with Jeff is we're putting him on an Erickson wedge. We want to increase his thoracic kyphosis, so we want to increase his thoracic spine. And right now he has too straight of a spine and it's posterior translated. So what we're going to do is we're going to get him on this Erickson wedge. We're going to start him out at like probably 6 or 7 minutes. We would maybe do a normal patient because Jeff's not normal. We would maybe do a normal patient. We would start them at maybe 3 minutes and work up to 20. But we're going to start Jeff probably at 6 minutes. And we're doing that, and then we're going to check him for cervical dental roll placement to restore as much of the cervical curve as we can. We did a correction potential test to find out which is the right size cervical dental roll that he needs to use, and so we're going to place him on that as well, and he's going to start at 3 to 5 minutes on that today as well.
All right. So first visit done. I just showed you kind of one little piece of that. I think that's what I'll do each time is I'll show you one little piece of the treatment as it goes along. Probably end up bringing in my tripod so I can see some of that. Get some feedback from Dr. Hartley as well as far as why we're doing some of the things. And I got some homework I got to do at home every time. So I will keep dropping some stuff in here and let you know what I'm feeling. It might be a little bit painful for some of this because we're really forcing some changes. So looking forward to it though. I'll keep you posted.
We've arrived at the park in Tampa. Kids are still rolling in. It's about 70 degrees here, sunny, a little windy. Here's all the weapons so far. This is going to be a good Nerf War. Hi Isaiah, you excited for your weapon? How do you guys decide teams and stuff?
I have no idea.
Okay.
It's enough.
Okay. time to choose some teams. Pick me, pick me.
I'm in the winner's circle. I'm the only one with the big shield.
Luke's made a really awesome shield. Time to begin. Oh, is he explaining the rules? I was just thinking, how do they know when to start? But he obviously has a plan. Now I'm coming from a different angle. Looks like everyone's still scheming their game plan. Uh-oh, it's beginning. Oh man, I might have to get out of the way.
Do my shots count?
I don't know. I don't know any of the rules. This is our first Nerf War, so I don't know the rules. I'm not sure how long this lasts either, but this is pretty fun to watch, especially in 73-degree weather. Trinity decided not to do the Nerf War. She is under the pavilion hanging out with some girls. I don't like this. Talk about uncomfortable. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe and watch our other videos.